Today I will tell you how to get a new electricity and water account number in Bahrain. Go to Google and get the website of EVA Bahrain. Click at the first link. Wait for the website to open. Left side you see the three dot. Click at these three dot. You will find the customer. Then click at the customer. Go to down. Here we will get know the electricity and water account number. Click at this link. Wait some time, and now here upside we will write our previous account number. Here I will write my previous account number. Then you will write previous account number and click at the generate. As well you can click at the generate. You will get down your new current account number. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting with us. Thanks viewers.